Ever felt like the Johnsons, struggling to keep up with bills and expenses? It's a common story, but one that can have a different ending. The Johnsons discovered 4 golden ways of making good money online, and so can you. First, they ventured into the world of freelancing. They found a way to cash in on their skills, providing services to clients across the globe. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming, there's a freelancing job that fits everyone's talents. Next, they explored the e-commerce landscape. They created their own online store, selling products to customers in every corner of the world. It's a modern marketplace with room for everyone. Thirdly, they delved into affiliate marketing. They recommended products they loved and earned a commission for every sale made through their unique links. It's a way to earn money while you sleep. Finally, they shared their knowledge through online courses. By teaching others, they not only contributed to their community, but also generated a steady stream of income. It's learning and earning combined. These 4 methods, freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and online courses, transformed the Johnsons' life from surviving to thriving. They found a way to make good money online, and so can you. Remember, it's never too late to change your financial story. Start your journey to making good money online. Today could be the day you take the first step towards a prosperous future.